Artificial intelligence is everywhere right now. Every smartphone launch, every tech event, and every advertisement seems to promise smarter features, better productivity, and a more intelligent future. Samsung's Galaxy AI is one of the biggest examples of this trend. But with all the marketing and buzz, it's hard to know what Galaxy AI actually does, and more importantly, which features are truly useful for everyday users. In this video, we're going to decode Galaxy AI. We'll separate the hype from the practical features you can actually use in daily life without technical jargon or unrealistic promises. Now, let's address the hype factor. Marketing often makes AI sound like a complete game changer, but the reality is more balanced. AI is best seen as a helper, not a replacement for user control or creativity. For everyday users, the most valuable AI features are those that save time, reduce friction, and work quietly in the background. Text assistance, smart search, translation, and photo cleanup fall into this category. Features that require frequent manual activation or complex setup are less likely to become part of daily habits. Ease of use plays a major role in whether an AI feature sticks. So, how should you approach Galaxy AI as a user? Start by identifying your needs. If you communicate often, text and translation features may be valuable. If you enjoy photography, AI editing tools can enhance your experience. If you prefer simplicity, background optimizations may be all you need. It's also important to manage expectations. AI is evolving, but it's not magic. Understanding its limitations helps you avoid disappointment and use it more effectively. As AI continues to improve, practical features will become more refined, while experimental ones may fade away. The key is choosing tools that genuinely improve your daily workflow. In conclusion, Galaxy AI is a mix of useful tools and marketing-driven hype. When used thoughtfully, it can enhance productivity and convenience. When misunderstood, it can feel overwhelming or unnecessary. By focusing on practical features and ignoring the noise, everyday users can get real value from AI without falling for unrealistic expectations. If this video helped you understand Galaxy AI better, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Tech Breakdown.